Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to make your videos look cinematic? I'll show you how to add smoke overlays in Canva and CapCut. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose Landscape Video, then proceed to the next step to customize your project settings. Browse Elements and locate the Smokey pack. Add it to your design. Next, continue searching for additional elements to enhance your project seamlessly. Add the video to your project. Detach it from the background, then adjust the clip's duration as needed. Next, resize the video to fit your frame properly. Finally, remove any unwanted parts to clean up the footage. These steps help customize your video efficiently and prepare it for further editing or sharing. Press Ctrl+C to copy the background. Next, apply the smoke effect by selecting it from the Effects menu. Adjust the settings to your preference. Repeat these steps to add other effects, enhancing your project with creative visual touches. Click the Remove Background button to eliminate the image background instantly. Adjust the settings to refine edges or restore areas if needed. This tool helps create cleaner, more professional visuals without complex editing software. Save your changes when finished. Duplicate the item, then review the video to verify your changes. Locate the smoke effect in the Assets panel. Drag and drop the smoke effect onto your composition timeline. Adjust its position and scale to fit your scene. Fine-tune the opacity and blending mode for a realistic look. Preview the effect to ensure it integrates smoothly before rendering your final project. Click the Share button to access download options. Choose to download the video as an MP4 file. After selecting MP4, click the Download button to save the video to your device. This allows you to easily keep a copy of the video for offline viewing or sharing without an internet connection. Download this video only from this page to ensure you receive the correct file and avoid any unauthorized or incomplete downloads from other sources. Rename the item as 444. Next, select the smoke element. Drag and drop the smoke element into your project. Make sure it is properly positioned where you want the effect to appear. Adjust settings if necessary to enhance the visual impact of the smoke in your scene. Delete this video and continue with the smoke element. Then click Share and select Download. Choose to download the file as an MP4 video to save it to your device for easy access and sharing across platforms. Open CapCut and click Create New. Select Blank Canvas to start your project. Next, upload your files by choosing Load from Folder or Load from File, depending on where your media is stored. Once your files are uploaded, you can type text or add other elements to your project. Use the toolbar to customize your content, adjusting size, font, and color as needed. This process lets you create personalized videos quickly and easily. Now you're ready to proceed with editing and enhancing your project in CapCut. Drag the selected file into your project workspace. Next, import the video you just downloaded by clicking the Import button and selecting it from your files. Once imported, drag the video onto the timeline below. Arrange and trim the clips as needed to create a smooth sequence. This process helps organize your media for easy editing and review. Type 4 twice, then save the file. Next, upload it to CapCut by clicking Upload, then selecting File. Enter the word 4 when prompted. Your smooth video will appear. Now, position the video at the top of the screen by dragging or using layout options. This sequence ensures your text and video are properly aligned and ready for further editing or sharing. Follow these steps carefully for the best results. Click Basic, then select Blend. Next, choose Screen. This will apply the Screen Blend mode to your layer. You should now see the smoky pack effect visible on your project. Adjust settings as needed to achieve the desired look. Using these blend modes enhances the smoky effect with smooth transparency and better integration. After finishing your edits, click Export. Before exporting, rename your file to keep it organized. Next, choose the export settings. Adjust the resolution and select High Quality for the best results. Then, select MP4 as the file format. Finally, click Export again to start the download. Once downloaded, you can locate the file on your device and play it to review. This process ensures your video is saved in the desired format and quality, ready for sharing or uploading. Now you know how to add a smoke overlay effect in Canva and CapCut and subscribe for more easy editing tips.